A cheerful good morning to you, dear students. Today we are going to learn the second chapter. The name of the chapter is A Gift of Chappals and the name of the writer is Vasant Surya. The lesson is divided into two parts. The first part and the second part. The first part is about Mrudu, a young girl, visiting her aunt Rukmani. Mrudu wants to meet her cousins Lali, Ravi and Meena. Definitely, they will have a lot of fun, enjoyment and amusement. The second part is about Lali's learning violin from her music master. In this part, we will also see a beggar coming and knocking at their door. Keep in mind this much for the time being, okay? In part 1, we see Tapi, Mrudu's grandmother, taking her to her aunt Rukmani. Mrudu wants to meet her cousins. They are Lali, Ravi and Meena. Remember, in Tamil, Tapi means grandmother and Tata means grandfather. On reaching the house, Mrudu first took off her slippers. While she was taking off her slippers, Mrudu saw a pair of large black slippers lying there. Without paying much attention to them, Mrudu went with Ravi and Meena to the place where they had kept a very small kitten. Meena told Mrudu that it was a secret. Ravi told her how difficult it was for him to get milk for the cat. The Ravi started boasting about the kitten. Here, boasting means praising too much. He told Mrudu that his name was Mahendran and his full name was Mahendra Varma Pallava Pune. Mrudu was greatly surprised to hear such a long name for such a small kitten. Ravi carried on boasting about his cat. He also told her that his kitten was a descendant of the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat. By saying all this, Ravi is trying to make an impression on Mrudu. Do you catch the point? Okay. Then, all of a sudden, Ravi shouted loudly in excitement. The awful sound frightened the kitten as well as Mrudu. Meanwhile, the children heard Lali playing the violin. She was learning to play violin from a music teacher. With this, we come to the end of the first part of the lesson. Is it clear to you? Okay. Coming to part 2, we see Mrudu peeping through the window. Mrudu saw Lali and her music master. According to Ravi, the music master was playing the violin beautifully, but Lali was not at all good at playing violin. Suddenly, a beggar came at the door. Ravi told the beggar to go away. The beggar got disappointed. He requested the children to let him take rest under the neem tree for a while. He also showed the blisters on the soles of his bare feet. Blisters means boils formed due to walking barefoot. On seeing the blisters, Mridu asked Ravi and Meena to provide him a pair of chappals. Ravi gets the pair of chappals which Mridu had noticed at the time of her arrival. He gives them to the beggar. The beggar left the place muttering a blessings to the children. What is muttering? Muttering means to say something in a low voice. After taking class, the music master came out of the house and he found his chappals missing. They all searched for the slippers but could not find them anywhere. On being enquired, the music master comes to know the truth. From Mridu, Rukmini comes to know that the chappals were given to the beggar. She went inside and brought out Gopal Mama's new chappals and gave them to the music master. Thus, through the kindness of children, the beggar gets a pair of chappals and the music master gets a new pair of chappals.